Joins has a very simple syntax. In this, we just select the columns that we want to display and join the tables using join keyword. Let us demonstrate some example of joins. We have covered more theory about joins in this video. In this example, we are joining agents table and customer table. In this, we are going to display agents code, agents name, customer code and customer name. You can see that the tables are joined, but we don't know that what kind of join is used. Since we are using only join keyword, in SQL, inner join is a default join. If no join type is mentioned, then common columns are joined by default. In our example, agent code is a common column between all the tables. Thus, if any table is joined without mentioning the join type, agent code would be used to join the tables. We can show inner join without explicitly mentioning the join type by adding a comma between them. Let's execute this to verify the result. You can see that the results are same as when we were using join keyword. Let us add some condition to it. We want to display agent's name and customer's name if their cities are same. To make more sense of this query, imagine if you are a customer staying in Mumbai and ordered something from a vendor who stays in Delhi. Even though the vendor is in Delhi, you will receive your order from an agent whose location is in Mumbai because you both live in the same area. You can see that agents and customer name is displayed if the cities are equal. This can be considered as an example of equijoin because we have used equal to sign to compare the tables. Equijoin is a special case of theta join where theta is a placeholder for any operator. Theta join is a comparison operator that compares value and joins the table. Let us take another example to show that. In this example, we will be joining orders table and customers table and name them A and B. We are going to display order number, order amount, customer name and working area, where order amount is between opening amount in customer. We will order this join using order by keyword along with customer name. You can see that the table was rearranged based on customer name ascending wise. We can reverse this by using descending keyword, which is the ESC. When we do not mention any specific order, the default order is ascending, which can also be written as ASC. When performing inner join, we will see that output is same as using join. But there is a difference. But in backend, although they show the same results, there is a difference. We have completed our inner joins. Let us perform outer joins. We will start with right outer join. When performing outer join, we only have to use keyword right outer join and left outer join. In this example, we are joining order and customers table using right outer join. In this, we will take agent code to extract the values. Since the customers table is on right side of right outer join, its data is compared to the orders table which is at left. As you can see that the data of customer table is displayed before the data that is in orders table because customer table is on right side of the relation and order is at left side of the relation. Let us see what happens when we replace right with left. You can see that this time the orders table was displayed before the customer table because left outer join is completely opposite of right outer join, which means that data on left side of the relationship will be displayed before the data on left side of the relationship because left is compared to the right side. As we can see, left outer join is completely opposite of right outer join. Thus, data on order table which is on left side of relation is compared to the customer table which is at right side. Thus, the data of order table is displayed before data of customer table. We also have a cross join, which basically joins both tables in the relation regardless of the condition, as rather than using comparison operator, it uses Cartesian products to find the relationship between tables and join them. It is also called as normal join. A normal join can be inner join, left outer join or right outer join. Its default value is inner join.